In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Gmail. Start by opening Notion. I'm assuming you're already signed in, so once you land on your workspace, you should be looking at your main dashboard. This is just your normal Notion home area, and from here we're going to connect Gmail through Notion Mail. Now open a new browser tab and go to mail.notion.so. Give the page a moment to load. On the landing page, you may see an option that says Sign up with Google or Connect to Google. Click that option to begin linking your Gmail account. Google will now show your account picker. Choose the Gmail account you want to connect. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you select the one you actually want to use for sending and managing email inside Notion Mail. Next, you'll be asked to grant permissions. Check all of the boxes shown here so Notion Mail can access the features it needs to work properly with Gmail. Once everything is selected, click Continue. On the next consent summary screen, click Continue again to finish authorizing the connection. After the connection is complete, you'll be taken into the Mail interface. In the center column, click on any email so it opens in the reading pane on the right. This helps confirm that your inbox is loading correctly and that the connection works. Now let's create a custom view. In the left sidebar, below the default folders, click the plus icon. You may see a prompt mentioning that to get started, you should install the Notion AI app in Google Workspace. From here, enter the name for your new view. Type Priority Senders, nice and clearly. Then pause for a second to make sure it looks right, and click Add Filter. For the filter condition, choose From. In the value field, enter the email address you want to prioritize. Take your time here and type the address carefully so the filter catches the correct sender. Then click Save. Once that's done, you can also test sending mail from the connected account. Click the Compose button or press C on your keyboard to open a new draft. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Then move to the subject line and enter your subject. In the message body, type your email. You can also format it with Notion-style blocks, like bullet lists or checkboxes, if that fits your workflow. When your message is ready, click Send in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. After it sends, you should see it reflected under your account, confirming everything is working as expected and your Notion to Gmail connection is active. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's it. You've successfully connected Notion to Gmail. Go ahead and try it out, create a few filtered views, and send a test message so you're comfortable with the setup. Congratulations, your connection is complete.